Hey guys, it's BT. Now today we are going to be cleaning your mouse pad. I have been getting this question a lot and I wanted to share my method of cleaning your mouse pad. It's very simple. All you need is a microfiber cloth and you'll need some hand soap. That's all you'll need, and some hot water, of course. And you probably already have this in your bathroom. If you don't, you're kind of nasty, but if you don't, you can go to the store and pick up some. I'm using the Dial Complete, the antibacterial, and the aloe. Now, the reason why I use hand washing soap is for a number of reasons, which hopefully makes sense to you, because when you think about it, right, what is hand soap for, right? It's to clean our hands, right, of dirt, oil, bacteria. What's it gonna be in your mouse pad? Dirt, bacteria, oils from your arm and your hand, right? So therefore, this is meant to be cleaning those kind of things. So that's why I use it. And also I'm using a aloe, which if you don't know, it's kind of like a moisturizer. So I like that this one doesn't really dry out your mouse pad once you're done. Okay, so the first step in cleaning this is I like to get some lukewarm water. Usually I would do this in the sink, but since my bathroom's really small, it'd be really cramped to do it there. So we're gonna do it here on my desk. Hopefully it turns out well. Who am I kidding? It's gonna turn out good. Anyways, what you wanna do is you wanna wash this thing. Let's see if I can actually get this dipped all the way in. So this is just some lukewarm water. So you just wanna submerge the whole thing. Just get it wet. Okay. All right, so our mouse pad is wet. All right, so now our mouse pad is wet. I actually had to get a towel because, I didn't want to get my desk all wet. So it is wet now. So what we want to do is you want to lather up some soap here. So the way you do that, let's get it nice and bubbly. Okay, get it nice and bubbly. And I just like to massage this in. Okay. You're gonna need to do this a few times to get the whole thing covered. So just keep lathering. Get all in that pad. Get all up in it. I'm gonna do it one more time. All right. So now we have the pad, right? And it is now completely, we got it all up in there, right? So now you're gonna take your microfiber towel and just gonna dip it in the water. And the reason why I forgot to say, the reason why we use a microfiber towel instead of a really abrasive towel that you would use to wash yourself with is because this is gonna be, like I said, non-abrasive. It's gonna be very gentle with your pad to keep the consistency of your pad. So just get a little bit of water, start wiping it down. And I don't know if the camera's picking this up, but it's actually getting some of this dirt out. Now it's not gonna get all the dirt out, especially with a colored pad. But it does a pretty good job. Okay, so you're pretty much just wiping this down, getting the soap nice, getting it in there, rubbing it around, getting that dirt out of the mouse pad. Okay. So now that you're done with that, the next step, soak your mouse pad to get all that soap out of there. Soap and dirt, I'm sorry. Okay. All right, then once all the soap is out, see, now we got all that dirt and soap. Look, it's all cloudy, you know, from the hours and hours of gaming. Now, next step, you want to take the towel. I want to take a towel, sorry. I should have mentioned this before. We need to take a towel and pat this thing dry. So what I like to do is put the rubber side up and then press down. Okay. Now we have a clean Davina mouse pad, good as new. So after this, what I like to do is I don't like to roll it up and then, because it'll just start getting mildewy. But what I like to do is I just like to keep it on the towel. So what I like to do is keep the mouse pad face down so that the towel can absorb the water and it kind of drips down instead of into the rubber base. So that is usually how I finish it off. And then so I'll leave it like this for a couple of hours. Usually it takes about a day for it to like completely dry out. But yeah, and then after that you will have your pad back. So very simple process. What was that, 4 or 5 steps, if that? And now you have a completely cleaned mouse pad. The consistency will be the same, if not better, now that you've washed away all the dirt and oils. And since we used the aloe, we're getting a little bit better of a glide as well. So yeah, definitely recommend this style. This is what I use. It works every single time. It's non-abrasive, and most importantly, it keeps your mouse pad the same consistency without having the edges come up and like, you know, the pad feels completely different like you washed it. You know, we all have washed and over dried our clothes and they shrink, and you know, the fabric just doesn't feel the same anymore. So I like to do it this way without the detergents and all that. See, look at that. Look how beautiful this mouse pad looks. Even smells good. All right guys, well that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a very quick one, very easy, very simple, with things you probably already have around the house. That's the best part. You don't have to go out and buy anything. You know, you just get the hand soap, unless you want that aloe, which gives your mouse pad a little bit more glide, which I like. Otherwise, you can just go with whatever's in your bathroom if you want to get quick and dirty and just get it done. I recommend doing this in your sink instead of like in a bowl, but still you'll get the same results. All right guys, it has been your boy BT. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.